Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about Uplink Airdrop. We will teach you how to join this airdrop and complete the tasks step by step. So keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram where we publish the latest airdrop news. Link will be down below in the description box. Now, let's get started. First, if we check out the Uplink profile on CryptoRank website, we will see that they have raised about $10 million in funding. Also, if we check out their profile on X platform, they have more than 86,000 followers, which is a good sign to participate in this project. Now, if you want to join the Uplink airdrop, I will leave the link down below in the description box. So copy that link and then open Mises browser and paste the link into the search bar. Then you will land on this page, and to register you need to type in your email address, a password, and when you finish, check these boxes on the left side and click on continue with email. Next, they will send you a verification code to your email address, so copy that code and paste it here. They will show you this message, so click on continue to the portal. Then they will show you another message to connect your social media account, so click on skip for now because I will show you later how to connect them step by step. And then you will land on the dashboard. But before we start, you need to fill in some information. So click on those three lines in the top right corner. Then click on account. And you will land on this page. Here you need to type in your first and last name and choose your country. Next, go to the social page and connect your social media accounts. Let me show you how to do that very quickly. Now, after connecting your social media account, click again on those three lines in the top right corner and choose dashboard, and you will go back here. And as you see, they give me 2000 points for just completing my social media accounts. And if we go to the my points page, they will show you some details about those points. Now let me show you how to complete the social media tasks. So click on social missions and scroll down a little bit. As you see, we have completed the first task. So let's complete the next task. Join their Discord community. You will land on this page. Just zoom in a little bit and click on complete. They will show you this message. So check this box at the bottom and then click on submit. Next, they will ask you this question: are you a bot? So obviously you need to say no. Now, if we zoom in a little bit, on the left side, click on the verify to, and you will land on this page. So just zoom in a little bit and click on verify again. They will show you this message. And here you need to solve this CAPTCHA. You need to type the numbers in the blue. So click on answer and type inside this box the numbers that you have seen before in the blue. Then click on submit. Now if we go back to the dashboard, keep scrolling and let's complete this task. Follow their account on X platform. And if we go back here, click on verify mission. And if we scroll down a little bit, you will see a list of tasks that you can complete to earn more points. But before you complete any task, make sure to read this description. For example, this task on the right side, you need to like and retweet the post to be able to earn those points. And let me show you how to do that. So click on like. Now if you go back here, click on verify. And as you see, the mission is completed. Now if you keep scrolling, you can complete all these tasks in the same way. But again, make sure to read the description underneath each task. Now let's move on to the networks page. Then click on network missions. And to complete these missions, you need first to download the Uplink application. You can find it on App Store or Google Play Store. And if you keep scrolling, they will show you some instructions about how to register and validate the networks. But let me show you how to do that step by step. First, head over to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone and type into the search bar Uplink. Then click on the application and then click on install. After installing the application, let's open it. Then you will land on this page. So just click on the blue button at the bottom. And here, you need to log in using the same email address that you have just used to register. So click on login and type here your email address and the password, and then click on sign in. And then you will land on this page, and that's all what you need to do. Just make sure that you are connecting to the internet using Wi-Fi network, and they will give you 50,000 points. So I really recommend you to install the application and connect it to the internet connection. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about the Uplink Airdrop. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. Also, if you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channel. See you soon guys. Good luck.